First, you need to go to Effects and click the option Draw and click Parallel Gradation. And change the colors to these. Now, add a new layer and click the Special option and choose the Lasso-fill pen. After that, add a new layer for the moon. Now, add another layer and make the blending mode to add. Switch on the force fade and make the length of start to 100% and the other to 0%. Start making some shooting stars. Start adding trees on the moon layer. Now, click the first layer and duplicate it. After that, bring that layer just below the moon layer and reduce the opacity to 30%. So, here it is. Hope you learned something and had fun watching this.